Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the black mirror design hammer here with me for a review, and we're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this guy. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. Would you look at this? So this is the head of the hammer, and it comes with its kind of like a paley case box, and then there's another box for the handle of the hammer, which comes like that, and with a couple extra pieces. It's a really neat one, guys. So these are 3 pieces of the hammer, basically. Actually, this guy comes with this set aside, something like that. So you're gonna have your head, which is in this case made of copper and titanium, and you're gonna have your handle, which in this case is just made in titanium, and you're gonna have like a glass breaker end, which can fit like here. It's magnetic, and you're gonna have this little screw to mount it and to use it as a hammer. Also, something really cool to notice is that this is also a driver, so it can accept hex bits like that, and it's just like a fancy driver. So it's a really neat one indeed. The machining is just outstanding, guys. Would you look at this? I mean, this is like a chunk of titanium milled to perfection. Of course, this is a numbered edition. There's 100 made. This is number 32, as well as this guy, and the number is going to be underneath that. So it's a limited edition piece, and it's fantastically made. I mean, there's this top part is spinning like that. So there's like a fidget factor even in the screwdriver thing, you know. It can just spin like that. You can install big Tritz vials here and just smaller here on the bottom. And you can do the same basically here on both sides of the spinning sides of the head of the hammer. So this guy can be used like that as a glass breaker, so you just see it stays well in the hand. There's like this, I think it's a ceramic ball, and glass breaker, like it's gonna work like fantastically, or like as we said, as a screwdriver bit, or you can just use it like that as a spinner because it's really light. It's made of titanium. It feels great in the hand, and the sound is kind of like pleasant. Of course, there's ball bearings underneath, and this guy spins smoothly, no wobbling, and looks like it's gonna do it for a long time. Then you can unscrew this cap over here on top, and there's like a screw. Now I think it's kind of loose, right? No, let me just take a screwdriver. You can use this flathead from this Leatherman here, and then just take this apart. Comes out pretty easily. So you just set this guy aside, and then you take this one, which is the head, and in this case is titanium and copper, and has 2 sides like spinning. See? Very nice. And of course it spins like in the center, like so. So it has like 3 ways, 3 spinning parts, and of course you can take this guy apart completely, and you can see there's another screw here. You just take this guy down. There's another bearing right there. You just close this guy, and then to mount the head of the hammer, you just unscrew the center piece, which is this one and this one, and of course you can see the number of your head, and this guy can go here, and then this is goes like here, and then you use this second cap to just close the hammer, and it's gonna look like that. So we can just put this away, and this is your hammer. So it is really cool. Look at that. Now you see probably a weird effect, but I'm telling you, this guy just spins nicely. really, really cool, and it feels great in the hand. You can just spin like that. I mean, it's very, very nice. Of course, like that, just gonna, yeah, it's gonna spin, but it's not as fun. Probably like just holding by like from this side. That's pretty cool. I mean, it looks gorgeous, guys. From the tactile perspective, it's also very good. It's well balanced. The stem, the handle is super light. You feel the heft from the copper, maybe because the central part is quite light and spins like really, really smoothly. It's very pleasant to hold this guy in the hand and feel the rotational force on the top like that. It's just good, and you can even like do it like really slowly, and it's pleasant, and it's almost inaudible. Like very, very quiet. This side also spins really, really quietly in both directions. It's well made, guys. It's a fancy toy. It's not a cheap one. And just to give you an idea of the size, for example, like the stem is 0.62 inches. Let's see, the head width is 2.4135 inches, and let's see, this side over here is 0.78 inches. So it's not overall length. Let's see. Yeah, it's gonna be 3.66 inches. So it's not a small one, but it fills the hand really nicely. It's not something you would keep in the pocket, maybe the spinner, but not the handle or assembled like that. At least it's something that I wouldn't carry with me because of the weight overall, which is not super light, but also not even like super heavy, because there's a lot in this one. So it's like 4.84 ounces, guys. So it's not a light one. Let's just check real quick how heavy would be this, just the handle by itself, which is gonna be configured with this cap like so. So that would be 2.99 ounces. Look at that. And this guy, which actually can do this, it's gonna be the same, 3.78 ounces. So you know that the weights, they don't add up because of course there's these two pieces missing, and it's copper, so it's gonna add some weight to it. And yeah, I mean, it's not a super light one, but it's a nice one. It's interesting. It's a new modularity concept that it's approaching the EDC-ness of this thing. It's a glass breaker. It's a driver. It's a spinner. It's a fidget driver. It's a hammer. It's a fidget hammer. It's like this. It's a triple spinner. I mean, it's a lot of things. It's fun. It's beautiful to look at. It feels great in the hand. Sounds almost inaudible. I mean, this is a pretty cool one, I'm telling you. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.